To enable or disable overcharge protection on the Motorola signature, what you need to do is you need to open settings. We're gonna scroll down in here until you find the battery settings. And then in here we should be able to go to battery protection. Now in here we can toggle the battery protection or overcharge protection, which usually results in limiting the battery charging process to 80%, so you can only charge to 80%. We have Smart Schedule, which allows the phone to use AI to learn your charging pattern and optimize the battery health based on that. So charging usually stops at 80% and the phone tries to resume and allow the phone to charge it back to 100% when the phone can predict that you are about to unplug the charger. Of course, usually it takes a little bit of time to let the AI figure it out, but this is how it works. And besides that, we can also tap on this option on AI is learning your charging pattern in order to see a little bit more information. We also have the manual schedule, and if you tap on the setting, then you can choose to always be limited to charge only to 80%, or you can set the limit only for specific hours, which might be especially useful if you charge your phone at night, every night, or every day at night, etc. Whatever that is. And here we can choose when it starts and when it ends. So for example, if you sleep till, let's say 6 AM, you can set it, let's say, to 5:30 or so that the phone has a little bit time until you wake up to charge to 100%. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.